Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash. Today I have a very special guest with me. This is Trinity, and she's going to be talking to you guys about her business, which is an indie brand that is up and coming, and I'm going to let her have the floor. So tell me the name of your company and how you got started.
My company's name is Krinkreations, and I'm with my best friend Cameron. We got started basically in my bedroom. Yes, I know that sounds kind of weird or whatever, but yeah. We were like just sitting on my bed thinking, you know that lip scrub that Chastity made? Oh yeah. That's cool. Well, I want to make that. Okay, so we got everything that we needed, or that we thought we needed, and make some stuff together. Basically.
That's what's up. What kind of products do you offer?
We offer scrubs. We have lip scrubs, hand scrubs, body scrubs, all the scrubs that you can think of.
Scrub. All right, you want to show them your merch?
This is the lip scrub.
Too cute.
Now this one is coconut, so it has like a blue color to it, but I love it. This one is the hand scrub. This is $3.
Dope. It's good. It's really good.
And this one is the body scrub. It is 8 ounces, and you cannot take it on an airplane.
You have to share that story. That's hilarious.
Okay, so I was just casually walking through security with my bag, and the scrubs were in my bag. The lady pulled me to the side and asked, "Is this your bag?" I was like, "Yes, this is my bag." She was like, "You're not allowed to take that." I said, "Why?" "Because it's too big."
So then what happened, babe?
So what had happened was, she asked me, she was like, "Okay, so do you want to go through security again and count it as a carry-on? Or do you want to just keep it with me?" I was like, in my head, of course, "No, ma'am, this was $20. I'm not keeping this with you. I'm never going to get it back." So I went through security again, and they let me take it in the same bag, which was...
They were tripping over some scrubs.
It was early in the morning, everybody was tired.
I would ask a girl, "You want to scrub your lips?" Everybody needs a little scrub every now and again.
Especially in the wintertime.
Okay. So what kind of skin types are they good for, and what are the skin benefits?
They're good for all skin types, really. Like if you have sensitive skin, it might be like a little reddish, but it's not harmful. It doesn't do anything. It's made with all natural ingredients.
That's what's up.
We will never do any of that fakeness. We don't do fake. It's not allowed.
And they don't test on animals.
No, cruelty free.
That's right.
Everything is natural. And one of our main ingredients that we use is aloe vera, because it's good for soothing the skin.
Ooh, and moisturizing. All right. And what scents and sizes do you offer?
The scents we have are lemon, coconut, and mint. And we're thinking about doing like limited edition roses, tropical, mango, like stuff like that. So you can go ahead and comment down below which one you would like, or just shout out ideas. Doesn't really matter. You can even say coffee.
All right, how much is each product?
Each product, well, this product is $2. This is the lip scrub for your lips. Takes all the dead skin off. This one is the hand scrub. It just makes your hands nice and soft. In case you want to hold hands with anybody. Oh, and it's $3. And this one is the body scrub. This is 8 ounces. It's very heavy, and it will last you a pretty good time. So yeah.
How much is that one?
This one is $5.
You get all that for $5?
Yeah.
Girl, that's a better deal than at the drugstore. That's a good deal. Okay, how much is shipping?
Shipping is $5.
Okay. And then how can they order from you?
You can order from us through Instagram or even through your friends.
And what payment platform do you use?
We use Zelle. So if you have like a banking company, you can go ahead and use your banking company. If you have the app for your banking company, go to the 3 lines on the side. You know the little 3 lines? Yeah, you know the 3 lines.
The 3 dots.
Push that. You can push that and push deposit checks or whatever it's under. And then, boom, you'll see Zelle.
Yep, we're also going to go ahead and link her Instagram for Krinkreations down below. And then we will also link the information for Zelle in case you don't have it. You have any other information that you want to share with them?
We are a black-owned company.
Alright, so I want to thank you for being on my channel. You guys, I will leave all the information down below where you can pick up these adorable scrubs. I'm telling you, I used the hand one today. It is so good. And you are getting a hell of a deal on a body scrub for $5. What is this, 8 ounces?
That's 8 ounces.
8 ounces. That's a lot of product. So thank you guys so much for your support. As always, I will see you in my next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.